Hey, I'm Matt Moxley, the Vetrepreneur. In this video, I'm going to show you how y'all can start making some money by removing backgrounds for places like Amazon or eBay and start making some money. Alright, so now let's go to the computer. Alright, so I've got Amazon pulled up here, and I was just wanting to show y'all that if you look through Amazon, you notice I pulled up hoverboards. But you notice that all of these images have no backgrounds. They're all transparent. So I'm going to show you how you can start making money by removing these backgrounds for whatever you're wanting to sell, or for a person who may be wanting to sell, and you can just make the money from them. So if we head over to Fiverr right here, you can see I will remove backgrounds for Amazon, eBay, Shopify products, and you start out by $5. Let's see. So let's click on this one. All right. So 10 photos for $5. It would literally take y'all like 3 minutes to remove backgrounds for 10 photos. So of course, you start up to 100 photos, they're selling for $40. So all you have to do is come up here and you need to make a Fiverr, Fiverr.com is where you need to go, and making a profile to start selling. That's what you want to do, is start selling your service. And your service is going to be remove background, and you can title this however you need it, but you want to remove the backgrounds for Amazon and eBay, Shopify, things of that nature. And then you can set your prices and how many photos and all that stuff. So that's how you want to get started. Now, the software that you want to use to start removing these backgrounds is, first, if you have a Mac, which I'm on a PC, but if you have a Mac, it's already built in. If you go to, let me check my notes here. If you pull up the image and you click on if you pull up the image, you click the pen tool. If you hit the wand after that, I think it's called an Insta Alpha tool. After that, you click on the background, and then if you hold the background and you release your button, a pop-up will come up that should say delete background and convert file to PNG. That's if you have a Mac. Like I said, I work on a PC, so I don't have that feature. However, I'm going to show you two softwares that you can use. So if we go to Canva.com, okay, so here at Canva, they actually have a feature that you can do that. So I'm going to pick this feature. And we're uploading this pic right here. This won't take as long for y'all with the better internet. I live out in the country, so my internet's not as good as city internet. So it takes me a little longer to do things. But if you live out in the city, you have faster internet options, you won't have these issues. Okay, so we're gonna edit this picture. Waiting for it to pop up. Okay, so if we select our picture here and we go to effects, so you want to select the picture here, you're going to go to effects, and here you see background remover. Now this feature for Canva is a bought feature, so you have to buy into Canva to do this. once you start making some money, I would suggest getting this, getting the Canva feature, because you can do multiple photos and it'd be quicker than, and better. You can edit photos that have a more in the background. So if you've got more stuff going on in the background, this feature is going to be better than the other software that I'm going to show y'all. But so if we do go into the background remover here in Canva, you get a free 30 days to try that out. And I believe the monthly fee, let's go back here. We can go to pricing here. Check how much it is monthly. Okay, yeah, it's $12.95 monthly, or you could pay yearly. Now, like I said, I was just doing this once you start making some money in Fiverr. But for a free, you want to go to remove.bg. So if you Google remove.bg, it will bring this. This is the free website. So if we upload an image, I'll use the same image. Waiting for it to upload. And if you have a simpler, of course, it's going to take longer the more you have in your photo. If you have a very simple photo, it's not going to take as long. Waiting for it to upload. There we go. All right, so this is the photo that we're going to be working with. This is my profile picture that I use in all of my social media accounts. And look, boom, it's automatically going to do it. Right? So if we hit download right here, it will download it that fast. And I've got slow internet, guys. That fast. And then once you have your PNG, that's the file that we need to sell on our services on Fiverr. Once we have that, we go back to Fiverr with our so yeah, once we get all signed up for here, I could switch over to selling and show y'all how to do that. I have not done any selling on here. I literally just made this to show y'all how to do it. So we want to go to gigs. That's what we want. Create a new gig. All right. And this is where you're pretty much going to make your gig. Once you have your gig done, that's your service that you are selling is your gig. Once you have that all set up, simply wait for someone to message you to start removing backgrounds on photos. And there you go. I mean, you can make some decent side money on the side pretty quickly. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you like this content. Go ahead and hit that like button for the algorithm for me. Again, my name is Matt Moxley. I am the Vetrepreneur. Hope y'all have a great